I'm gonna do my best, Corellas. We're gonna get rid of this useless pantry that is there that produces no food, and we're gonna put a big, massive tree for you guys, for your generations. Look at the baby Corella. His mommy's grooming the baby, guys. Look how beautiful that baby is. He still wants mommy. He's not ready to be on his own. He wants to be under mommy's belly, like when he was a baby. So the mother's teaching him to get used to being independent at the moment.